Hello guys, so today is Wednesday. So I'm going to salon today. I'm gonna do a haircut because my hair is long and all damage on the bottom of my hair. So kind of like it's long already. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a shoulder length haircut. So ayan guys yung itsura ng ang haba oh. Hanggang dito na siya oh. So it's like really long. So so it's gonna be like almost a half of my hair gonna be gone today. So I'm gonna do a haircut like shoulder length. So yay, because it's hot already in summer. So I want to get rid all the damaged hair, and so it will be a short hair. So we're heading to salon guys, and I think I will see you when we're so I'll see you when we get back home. So hi guys, I'm home. I just finished eating, but we already got home, and ito na, this is how it look like. Medyo ano siya, it look like it is shorter now than my hair before. Ganyan lang siya guys. Konti lang naman yung pinaano ko lang, tawag dito, pantay dito sa likod, and then I put a side bangs this side. So this is how it look like. My hair, new haircut. So ito na guys oh. Pasensya na again sa ano, sa tawag dito. I'm in the bathroom, so the bathroom fan is like on, so you can hear the bathroom fan going. So that's it to look like guys. Hanggang dito lang siya. So ayan, and then ito yung sa side. It feels like so light after you what do you call that? After you did a haircut, you can feel it like your hair is so light. So, and my camera is not focusing at all, so it feels so light guys. So this is how it look like, a little bit shorter. So yay, short hair. Not really short, but I like this way, not too short, not too long. So yeah. So ano tawag dito, hindi ako sanay ng ganitong ano, yung bangs nasa side. So guys, I'm planning to do a quick Q&A videos. So if you have a question, just let me know in the comment down below, so that it would be, just let me know in the comment down below all your like question. I'm gonna try to answer all that question, and that's it. And there's not a lot going on today. I just went to the salon to trim my hair, make it a little bit shorter, like down the shoulder. So wait, hold on, nangalay yung kamay ko. So that's it guys. Please comment down below. Let me know in the comment down below what's your question for my next vlog, for a quick Q&A videos. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna do the quick Q&A videos, but just let me know in the comment down below. And I think that's it for today's vlog guys. Nothing special, not a lot to do. So yeah, ito na guys yung hair ko. Yan, medyo kumonti siya na. Ayan. So yun lang guys. Ay, meron pa pala akong isang ano, hindi ko pa nagagawa yung ano tawag dito. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung tinag sa akin ni Miss Beautiful Water Rose, yung No Mirror Makeup Challenge. definitely I'm gonna do that before the Q&A videos, before the quick Q&A videos. So we'll see. I'm just gonna do. I already started cleaning my nails today, but so I stopped it because we went to the salon earlier, so I have to do it. Continue cleaning my nails and paint my nails. So that's it, guys, and yun, that's it. Yun lang yung walang masyadong ganap ngayon, guys. Nanood lang ako ng mga nag-start ako kasi it's been busy like the next couple weeks. So nag-start akong manood ng mga vlogs last night, and then probably I'm pretty sure today my whole day I'm gonna like watching all the vlogs that I missed. So ayun, that's it, guys. I'm gonna continue cleaning. So right now I'm gonna continue cleaning my nails. I already cleaned my left nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning my nails and paint my nails, and I'll see you later, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.